What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another new earning video, and today we are talking about Adipole once again. And today I'm going to show you how much I made. Once again, I made another cash out and it paid out instantly. I want to show you guys that. I also want to show you guys how I quickly was able to get the money and answer surveys and quickly able to cash out and request a payment. And I just want to share some tips and tricks with you guys. That way you guys can make more money with Adipole. That being said, let's go. Alright, so with Adipole, I did make more money. I made $4.27 more than last time. And last time, in the last video, the very first video, if you've seen that video, I made $3.05. This time I made another $4.27. So with that being said, that is a total of $7 and something. And I was easily able to make that within no time, within probably 30 minutes or so. And I just want to show you guys everything about it on my end, on my app, on a screen recording so that you guys can see it. I also want to show you guys and tell you guys about some tips and tricks that I learned myself, and maybe it will help some of you start earning quicker and faster with Adipole. What is up, guys? I am just on here to show you I made another $4.27 with Adipole, and I just want to show and tell you how easy it is to make money with Adipole. So as you guys know, in the first video I told you guys about Adipole and everything that it has to offer. Now I'm going to show you pretty much how I make money on Adipole really fast, and I'm going to show you how much money I made. So as you can see on the screen here, $3.05 was the first cash out on 7/26/23. It was completed, went to my PayPal, and above, as you can see, I have a $4.27 payout ready to go. $1.61 of that is from 4 referrals from 4 friends. And so if you invite your friends by sharing your code, you can get 50 cents for each friend that signs up with your code, which is only valid in the US. Your friend gets 50 cents when they sign up using your code, and you get 10% of their earnings when your friend signs up, and there is no upper limit. So if you are watching this and you have not signed up already and you would like to sign up and try this out, my unique referral code is right here, and you can copy and paste this code, or it'll be down in the description of this video. And when you sign up to enter this code, you just go here in your settings, you go enter referral code, and then you type in my code, and you'll get 50 cents upon signing up with my code, rather than just signing up and starting at $0. So let's request my payment. Once a payment has been requested, it cannot be canceled. Do you want to proceed? Here is $4.27. Your payment is being processed, and it's complete. It's already been sent, just like that. Within 1 second of requesting it, it's already been sent to my PayPal. And I will also include the PayPal confirmation in this video as well. It'll be off to the left or off to the right here, somewhere on the screen. Now let's get to how I make that much money that fast. So I know when you guys see 1-star or half-star surveys like these right here, you guys are probably turned away when you guys see those. You're probably like, oh, it will not accept me, blah blah blah, so I'm not gonna try it. And you guys are probably thinking, I'm just gonna go ahead and test my luck with this 2.5-star for 60 cents. Well, being me, I try these 1-star surveys like these. So this right here pays out $1.04 if you get accepted. So there's like a 50-50 chance that they're not gonna accept you. And what do you really have to lose other than a short amount of time? So that's what I do. I accept those and I try those high-paying ones. And I've gotten a couple well over $1 ones, and that has made me reach out the cash out amount, and I was easily able to get, you know, the cash out thing. But I've been on vacation, so I haven't really used the app since then. But since I'm back, we are gonna, you know, put in some work on this app, I think, because I do like this app. It's, as you guys can see, I already got my $4.27 within a second of requesting it. And overall, you know, I like this app. There's a lot of people that say, oh, it's not any good because all that there is 1-star surveys, but they're not always 1-star surveys. There's a 12-cent 3.5-star right here that would probably accept you right away. And the time that it shows right here, that's just an estimated time. That's not an actual time of how long it will actually be. It's just an estimated time. And so it says 8 minutes. You could finish in 4 minutes. And so 4 minutes for 12 cents, to me, that's a heck of a deal. Or, you know, you could try what I do and go for the higher payouts with the 1-stars and take your chance, take your 50-50 chance on doing surveys like this one right here. And so basically, if you get accepted for this one and you complete this one, that is one payout. You're able to pay that out instantly as soon as you complete that survey, because $3 is the payout minimum, I believe. So if you would complete that and actually take the chance of doing it, you will get an instant $3. And I'm actually probably going to do it right after this recording. So that's basically the best tips I have so far on how to earn fast and get a cash out fast with Adipole. If anybody else has any suggestions or experience with this app, please comment below and let everybody know. With that being said, let's go into the other camera angle. Now that you guys seen how much I made, and not all of it was from referrals, as you guys can see, I only had 4 referrals, which was only $1.61. And so for the rest of the amount that I requested my payment, those are from surveys that I've taken. Hopefully all the tips and tricks that I talked about within this video when I was showing you guys on my app, hopefully those tips and tricks helped you guys. Like I said, I haven't really got a whole lot of time to mess around with this app. Like I said, I was just on vacation. If you haven't seen the videos already, they're in the vlog playlist on my channel. But I spent a week living on an island, but now we're back. But That being said, I haven't had a whole lot of time to use this app since the first video that I posted about this app, but hopefully the tips and tricks that I've found so far helps some of you out there, and maybe some of you out there didn't get to see the first video, and there's probably some of you out there that has some more experience with this app, or some more tips and tricks that you guys have found with this app. So if you have any tips and tricks for me or anybody else that's wanting to use this app, or someone who is using this app presently, just comment below and let all of us know some new tips and tricks that I didn't get to say in this video, or anything that I missed within this video. Please comment below. I think I will choose the best tips and tricks from a viewer. I will pin the best comment in the comment section below. So that being said, I thank all of you for tuning in to the short little earning app review video, and we are going to continue going strong with these videos. Thank you for liking my videos, subscribing to the channel, and everything that you guys do. I appreciate all of you.